Intuition is the channel through which your soul directly communicates with subtle planes, with the higher self, and with the living fabric of the universe. It bypasses mental noise, penetrates beyond the veil of Maya, and allows you to perceive vibrations hidden from ordinary sight. By developing it, you learn to live in the flow of synchronicities, to recognize energetic traps, to read the aura of people, and to follow your highest trajectory. First, working with bodily sensations. Intuition often speaks through the body. Notice the slightest reactions: warmth, cold, tension, lightness. Ask yourself a question and pay attention to the very first bodily sensation. It comes faster than thought and rarely deceives. The body becomes a conductor of truth, pointing to a direction that the mind has not yet realized. Second, the practice of the first answer. Ask yourself simple questions and record the first response that arises before logic intervenes. This is the instantaneous movement of the soul, not yet colored by reasoning. Over time, you will learn to distinguish the pure intuitive impulse from mental noise, and this skill will become the key to your inner compass. Third, the journal of signs and coincidences. Write down recurring events, symbols, dreams, and random phrases that caught your attention. Intuition often speaks through the outer world, creating a personal language of symbols. By keeping such a journal, you will gradually see how the universe weaves a network of hints for you, and you will learn to read it as a sacred text. Fourth, developing sensitivity through nature. Spend time in nature, allowing yourself to dissolve into its rhythms. Listen to sounds, perceive scents, observe the movement of the wind and the behavior of birds. The natural environment purifies perception and strengthens subtle sensitivity, helping you attune to the natural vibrations of the world. Fifth, the practice of trusting yourself. Begin with small choices. Select a route, clothing, or meeting time based on inner feeling. Each time your choice is confirmed by experience, the connection with intuition grows stronger. Step by step, you build an inner bridge of trust, along which the soul leads you toward more significant decisions. Sixth, cleansing informational noise. Reduce the flow of news, unnecessary content, and conversations that do not nourish your spirit. An overloaded mind muffles subtle signals, while the space of silence amplifies the inner voice. In this purity, clarity is born, and intuition resounds like a quiet yet confident melody. Intuition develops gradually through attention, honesty with yourself, and trust in inner sensation. The more often you listen to yourself, the clearer this voice becomes. It turns into a constant companion, guiding you along the higher trajectory, where each decision is a step in harmony with the rhythms of the universe.